Claude 3 is the latest AI model developed by Anthropic, designed to offer enhanced reasoning, accuracy, and contextual understanding. It builds upon the strengths of its predecessors, making it one of the most advanced large language models, LLMs, available. Claude 3 is particularly known for its improved reading comprehension, coding capabilities, and real-world reasoning, making it ideal for complex tasks such as research, content creation, and data analysis. Unlike earlier models, it has been fine-tuned for better long-form coherence, meaning it can maintain context over extended conversations while minimizing hallucinations. One of the standout features of Claude 3 is its multimodal capabilities, allowing it to process not only text, but also images and other data formats. This makes it a versatile tool for users who require AI assistance in areas like document processing, image analysis, and business intelligence. Additionally, Claude 3 has been optimized for fast response times without sacrificing accuracy, making it one of the most efficient AI models for real-time interactions. The model also incorporates enhanced memory retention, enabling it to recall past interactions and maintain a more personalized experience over time. Anthropic has also prioritized safety and ethical AI principles in Claude 3. The model is built with constitutional AI techniques, ensuring it aligns with human values and provides safer, unbiased responses. It has improved defenses against adversarial prompts and misinformation, making it a reliable choice for enterprise applications. Furthermore, Claude 3 is designed to be user-friendly, integrating seamlessly with various business tools and APIs for AI-powered automation, customer support, and knowledge management. With its state-of-the-art natural language processing, NLP, and strong ethical foundations, Claude 3 stands as a competitive alternative to other leading LLMs like GPT-4 and Gemini.